All right, so today what we're going to learn about is how to increase your buyer commission by at least 33% or more. And so if you're on my personal real estate team, we use .loop. In .loop, when you get ready to write an offer, you have this ATT buyer offer package. It's everything that you need to be able to write an offer. And as you guys know, when we write an offer on an agreement, we have special stipulations. Initially in our buyer meeting, we already explained in our buyer meeting to a buyer what our commission is, and it's paid by the seller. In our system, Anthony Thornton Team, what we do is we charge 4% plus $5.97 administrative fee, right? And we say it's paid by the seller, but if it's not paid by the seller, guess what? Buyer, you're gonna have to pay the difference. They go, oh, well, other real estate agent didn't charge me anything. Well, we're not charging you anything yet. We'll see when we find the home, right? So why is this important? Real estate agents, listing agents, our commissions are not going up, or they're going down. You guys understand that, right?
Mm-hmm.
Down. And so if commissions are going down and you're running a business and you don't have any idea what you're gonna make percentage wise, that's why we talk in percentages. We don't talk in dollar figures in real estate, because our business is based on percentages. You either had a X percentage as net profit or you did not, right? So if that's what your accountant's going to look at, the bank's going to look at, then that's what I believe that we should be looking at. So we have to have a predictable income or percentage of what we're going to make every time we close a real estate transactions. I've chosen ours to be 4%. Really, it's 3.5%. If a seller pushes us for 4, it's easier to put an X on here when you're in person with them and say, hey, okay, I'll talk to my broker, but right now I know I probably can agree to 3.5%, right? Some of you guys might want to do something like this on your agreements, 3.5, 597, click a third box and go 0.50 broker fee, right? Which I'm actually going to fix this, and that's what we're going to do. But that's how it used to be. I don't know what happened, change, right? All right.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Oh, all right. So that's what this is exactly what you want to do. Whatever state you're living in, you would want to set up your agreements like this. Okay. So how do we explain it? Hey, Ms. Jones, just so you know, this is our buyer brokerage agreement. This allows you and I to work as clients versus customers. The only people I can show homes to are clients. And our commission is 3.5%. There's an administrative fee to take care of all the paperwork in the office, and my broker charges a 0.5% fee. It's paid at closing and normally paid by the seller. Okay, great. And I would go to the end and tell them, hey, I've signed, or you sign here. So we also want to make sure, so that's on your buyer brokerage agreement, The good thing about being on my team is I already have all this stuff filled out for you, so you don't really have to think about what to do. It's already filled out, okay? And so now you're getting ready to write an offer. If you're on my team and you have a loop, because we use .loop, this is something I pay for outside of EXP. And let's just say, for instance, this Crystal Cardi was my client. What I would do is I would just add a folder.
Oh, I did that already. I did that already on that one.
I don't need help. I would just add a folder here, and then all I would do is add a template, and I would add a buyer offer template. You guys with me?
Yes.
Okay, that's what I would do here. If you're on my team, I need to have one loop for every client. I don't need multiple loops for multiple clients. It's very confusing for our transaction coordinator. Once you go into contract on a deal, it goes from this person's name to the property address. All right, cool. So everybody has that. Gotcha.